So we are now on a very special farm from Mr. Salim. He's an Emirati gentleman, and he brought me here to a kind of a bee farm where they produce honey. So the area is in the middle of the mountains. It's beautiful here, and Mr. Salim said here he needs to do some special things because the area is quite poor. So what he is doing, he plants some acacia, he has some Sidr here. Also, as a kind of a special ingredient, he will plant some kind of flowers to kind of lift up the flavor of the honey. So the bees are here in this area. They will eat all or take all this nectar from all these amazing plants and flowers. And then he has one of the best Sidr honeys here in the region for sure. So when I had a chat with Mr. Salim, which is the owner of this kind of farm, so he explained me how he's doing it. So he starts with a kind of small baby bee here, and then after a certain time, he moved them to another area where is more flowers, where is more trees, and where they can get really the best honey. And he has different areas here in Ras Al Khaimah, and he's producing up to 2 tons, 3 tons of honey per year, which I believe is amazing. So the bees, they coming from Oman and Saudis and produce really a kind of authentic flavored honey. And yeah, this is really also one of our great products from the 50-mile menu and the area that we creating a kind of sustainable product in Waldorf Astoria. So yeah, here we have some of the beautiful places from Mr. Salim's farm. These flowers the bees didn't enjoy, but they're looking really for the sunflowers, which we have here. So, and this is what I said before, this kind of things make the difference about the taste of the authentic Ras Al Khaimah Sidr honey.
So as you see now, we're already in the farm for the bean, and then here the bean they come into his box to build the honey. So they take all the food from our area here near to mountain. So they get a special food, and then they come in to build the honey here. So that's why we are here to getting original honey from the Ras Al Khaimah.